Morning, dear students. Today we will start lesson number 11. Solve the problem. Lesson number 11, that is area and its boundary, from our Navneet practice workbook. And first of all, we start solve the following word problems. So first of all, question number 1. How many square stems of length of 5 centimeter can be attached on a paper having a measurement of 90 centimeter multiply 25 centimeter? So here we have to find out the area of the paper as well as area of the stem. Then we have to divide both of these and we get number of stems. So paper is the rectangular shape. So right over here, area of the paper equal to length multiply breadth, that is 90 multiply 25 centimeter square. Then length of a square stem equal to 5 centimeter. So area of the stem equal to side multiply side multiply. So now area of the stem equal to side multiply side. Now number of stems equal to 90 multiply 25 upon, here it is 5 into 5 centimeter square. Now do the calculation. 90 multiply 25 upon 5 into 5. So number of stems are 90. Question number 2. How much less will be needed for a tablecloth having a length of 70 centimeter and breadth of 40 centimeter? How much lace will be needed for a tablecloth? So tablecloth lace means we have to find out the boundary portion, that is perimeter. So right over here, length of the tablecloth (70 centimeter), breadth of the tablecloth 40 centimeter, perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into 70 plus 40, that is 2 multiply 110 equal to 220 centimeter. meter, 220 centimeter. Come question number 3. So here it is. How many square tiles having a length of 20 centimeter can be fixed on a floor with length 7 meter and breadth 4 meter? Here both are different units, so we have to convert it first into same unit. So write this way. Side of a square tile equal to 20 centimeter. Area equal to side multiply side, that is 20 multiply 20 centimeter square. Length of the floor 7 meter equal to 700 centimeter. Breadth of the floor equal to 4 meter, 400 centimeter. Now area equal to length multiply breadth. So 400 multiply 700 centimeter square. Number of tiles 400 multiply 700 upon 20 multiply 20. Cut the zeros. 20 twos are. Then 2 tens are 20. So the remaining digits are 10 multiply 70, that is 700 tiles. So the number of tiles required, that is 700. Question number 4. The length of a fence around a square garden is 28 meter. What will be the length of one side of the garden? Length of the fence given. Fence means outer portion, that is the boundary. So perimeter given 28 meter. We have to find out the length of the garden. Right here, perimeter of the square garden equal to 28 meter. Sign up therefore, as we know, perimeter means 4 multiply side. So 4s equal to 28. So s equal to 28 upon 4 equal to 7 meter. So the side of the garden equal to 7 meter. Side of the garden equal to 7 meter. Come for next, that is question number 5. Arpita Ben Arpita Behen decided to fix square tiles on the floor of her kitchen. Each square tile has a length of 20 centimeter. The kitchen has a length of 400 centimeter and breadth 300 centimeter. How many tiles will be needed to cover the floor of the kitchen? Same type of sum. So first of all, write this way. Side of a square tile equal to 20 centimeter. Area equal to side multiply side, so 20 multiply 20 centimeter square. Length of the kitchen (400 centimeter). Breadth of the kitchen 300 centimeter. Area equal to 400 multiply 300 centimeter square, because area equal to length multiply breadth. Now number of tiles equal to 400 multiply 300 upon 20 multiply 20. Cut the zeros. 20 twos are 40. Again 2 tens are 20. So the remaining numbers are 10 multiply 30, that is 300 tiles. Number of tiles are 300. Question number 6. A rectangle is made from a thin wire of length 20 centimeter. If the breadth of this rectangle is 2 centimeter, then what will be its length? A rectangle is made up of from a thin wire of length 20 centimeter. That means perimeter is provided, and if the breadth of the rectangle 2 centimeter given, we have to find out the length. So right over here, perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B equal to 20 centimeter given. Breadth equal to 2 centimeter. We don't know the length. Sign of therefore, 2 into L plus B equal to 20. Now 2L plus 2B equal to 20. In place of B, we have to put the formula of breadth. 2 into 2. So 2L plus 4 equal to 20. Now 2L equal to 20 minus 4, because cross the equal sign. Now 2L equal to 16. Now L equal to 16 divided by 2 to 8 centimeter. So the length of this rectangle is 8 centimeter. Question number 7. Find the area of a square carom board whose perimeter is 240 centimeter. We have to find the area. Perimeter of the square equal to 4s, यानी 4 multiply s equal to 240 given. 240 centimeter given. 4s equal to 240, so side 240 divided by 4. 4 6 and 0, that is 60 centimeter. Now area of the square, side multiply side, so 60 multiply 60, 3600 centimeter square. So the area of this square is 3600, यानी 3600 centimeter square.